Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the fear is going crazy with Bitcoin crippling, falling below 66k and consolidating close to 63, with the fear of it falling all the way short to 60. Let's just say everyone in the market is trying to hold their money in USDT. This would be the perfect opportunity to buy into your favorite coins, and the one that I have been paying attention to, I mean, if you pay attention to Dogecoin, you guys will realize that it's actually consolidating quite strongly as Bitcoin is falling. 12.5 cents consolidation for Dogecoin has been very strong. I mean, the easiest way to see that is if you just go to the meme category, you'll realize that the market cap has dropped by 5% just in the last 24 hours. And if you look at all the other tokens, you will realize that Doge is actually holding on to its price very well. Now, this could be the perfect opportunity for you to actually purchase one of your favorite meme coins, or actually invest in a new one that's going to be making you even bigger return when the market makes a recovery. Now, I have noticed in the comment section you guys saying, Sky, I've seen a lot of pre-sale tokens, you talking about them. I want a low cap coin that's already trading so I can just go ahead and buy it and see the results even faster. And the one that I have been paying attention to and I dig very deep to find is Frog with Hat. Now, if you guys don't know anything about with Hat, I mean, you know, Dog with Hat has done some crazy numbers in the last 1 year. Right now, the market cap is sitting at 1.8 billion, so that's very, very big. Let's just say Frog with Hat is a similar concept. It's a really popular meme. With Hat is doing very well and having a different animal and on a different chain, because if you guys do not know, Dog with Hat is actually on the Solana ecosystem. There is no with Hat on Ethereum ecosystem that has done some big numbers, and this could be the first one. This token is really interesting. There is dogs over 1 billion. There is mobs with Hat going to 1 billion. There is no frogs that have gone to 1 billion, so we might be changing that. Now, keep in mind, this meme is really just getting begin. Now, this token has so much potential. Keep in mind, this is still in the beginning stage, and if you just look at the chart that they have been able to produce, you can see that since the last 7 days after they received the big spike, they're able to hold on to that price. As they're getting bigger and bigger partnership, they're trying to keep pushing up. And keep in mind, the market cap is only sitting at 160k, so there is a long way to go before this token actually comes to its hold. There is so much potential, but as the market is in a downfall, it's very hard for this token to do some big numbers. But if you decide to buy right now and hold for the long journey ahead, you're going to be doing some big profits. Also, if you look at the roadmap while studying the market, base scan listing, gather the Frog with Hats and get 1,000 holders. After that, get more marketing, get 10,000 holders, and then receive the market cap of 1 billion. Now, this is their idea. That's what they want to reach. They have had the fair launch, which is 100% of the circulating supply is sent to everyone. The LP has been burnt. DEX tools has been updated. DEX pool, Uniswap ownership has been re-announced. There is no minting, there is no tax, there is CEX ready, and there is so much more to come. What I'm trying to say is this token has a really good community behind it. If you go to their Twitter or actually Telegram, you'll realize they have 200 members, but they're actually very active. If there is any tweet that they're trying to raid, it's going to be raided very quickly. That's suggesting that their token is backed by a very good community. And keeping in mind that the person who actually is trying to run this token didn't just, think of a pump and dump. Just in the first day, there's a pump, forget about this token, don't come back to it. But you can see that they sustain themselves. They stayed around for a long enough period to actually see some crazy growth. And this is, as I mentioned, just the beginning. I mean, 160k is still very early into the token. And the fact that they have already got partnerships such as Flaws, let's just say big things are yet to happen with this token. Say hi to Frog with Hat. The Frog with Hat for the top spot on base, ready to join the on-chain summer, and here are the details. Over 1,000 views on that tweet. I'm just giving you guys a little bit of perspective. I have been paying very close attention to this token, and I do see it doing very well once the market starts climbing. So this could be a perfect opportunity to throw some dollars into it that you guys don't need to worry about, and then later it might might just turn out to be something huge. If you do want to purchase this token, I'll link it down in the description. You can just go to their website, and then they do have a way to just connect your wallet and buy it there. But if you want to buy it through Uniswap, you can also do that. It is on the Ethereum chain. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Highly recommend this token. I'm going to be paying very close attention to it, keeping you guys up to date with it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.